Here's how to create a friendship video. Import your videos into InShot. Tap PIP. Go to Materials, Social, and select the photo border. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Tap Trim and trim it to match the duration of your video. Tap Text and type your text. For the second video, tap Sticker and import a picture from your camera roll as a sticker. Press the arrow to extend it to the end of the clip. Tap Edit and add animations to your sticker. Do the same for the other pictures. Add another text to your video and add an animation to your text. And you get an aesthetic video to commemorate your friendship. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.